Hey folks, Danny Small, the Engineer Vader here. I am here at a modular manufacturer, and I'm doing something that, to my knowledge, has never been done before. This is actually the fourth factory that I have visited and spent a full week at over the last 5 weeks. I'll be doing one more, and over these 5 factories, I'm doing some in-depth analysis of their processes, observing, filming, and analyzing second by second these install processes to calculate value add and non-value add time to give these factories a glimpse into their productivity, how productive and efficient they actually are. And you might be surprised at the results and what we're finding as we analyze these factories. If you're interested in having a similar analysis done for your factory or your operation, we can do this with any install process in the field or in a factory, and let you know how efficient you actually are, how much waste you have, how much of your time, your labor time, is not adding value for your customers, so that we can find ways to reduce that for you. So looking forward to bringing you more information about this, but just wanted to give you a quick update as to where we're at in the middle of this analysis, and very excited to see the results. Thanks. Take care and keep building. Bye-bye.